Why is the floor wet?
I have a surprise.
A surprise?
Today we go to the sea.
Really? We go now?
Yes, right now.
Wow, so mean sea. There's some
Water.
sea creatures there.
Yes, fun.
Yes, the little water.
Wow.
Wow, the sea is very big. The water is blue.
Yes, the water is blue and very beautiful.
The fish is small and it swims very fast.
I have a starfish.
Wow, can I see it? It has 5 arms.
Starfish live at the bottom of the sea.
Look, a crab. Is it going to bite?
Not if we're careful. The crab walks sideways. That is special.
I see a shell. It is beautiful.
This is our exploration boat. We're going on an adventure.
The boat is very big. Today you are a sea explorer.
I am ready.
First mission, look at the water ahead.
Wow, I see birds.
They are seabirds. They look for fish.
Wow, something very big.
That is a whale. It swims near the boat.
Look at that.
That is a dolphin. The dolphin is very smart.
Hello, turtle.
Turtles live very long.
We are here. This is a coral island. We go into the sea tunnel. We can see the seafloor inside.
I want to go now.
We are under the sea. Wow!
Look, they swim together.
Look, a jellyfish.
The jellyfish can glow.
It is very flat. Look, a shrimp.
The shrimp swims fast. It looks like a snake.
It sure does. The eel is very long. It lives in rocks.
A seahorse. Hello.
Look at the pretty seahorse. It is very small.
Do you like sea animals?
Yes, they're amazing.
I like exploring the sea.
Now we must go home. We visit again next time.
Today is Sunday. Good morning.
Good morning. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Don't worry about me.
You have a fever. You need to rest today. You should take some medicine and rest.
But there's still so much housework to do. I need to take care of everything.
Don't worry. We will handle everything.
Will you be okay?
Of course, you can trust us.
All right, let's clean this house.
Take care of the laundry.
I will pull the weeds in the garden.
That's way too much laundry.
These weeds grow so fast.
Oh no, you've crushed the flowers.
Sorry. What should I do now?
Let's plant them again.
I don't know how to plant flowers.
First, dig a small hole. Then place the flower into the hole. Cover it with soil and water it regularly.
I get it now. I'll plant lots of flowers.
Separate the laundry. Wash white clothes separately from colored clothes.
I get it now. Add detergent and fabric softener.
It smells so good.
We're done with our chores.
Let's help finish everything.
Dad will mop the floor. Bill will clean the table. Anna will arrange the flowers.
I'm so tired. So this is what Mom goes through every day.
I have an idea.
That's a great idea. Help me peel the carrots.
Help me peel the potatoes.
Mom will be happy with the soup we're making.
It looks delicious.
This is a surprise for you. I hope you feel better soon. Thank you for taking care of our family every day.
I'm truly so happy. I'm so glad we're all here together.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Bye-bye.